Okay guys, if you like spicy noodles, this is the dish for you. Ruby red spicy chili paste and porky noodles, so good, literally to die for. These are my spicy kimchi pork noodles. Okay guys, so first up we are gonna make like a cheats chili paste. So I know a lot of the time I'm cooking with lots of different chili pastes, like Korean gochujang or Szechuan doubanjiang or, you know, I don't know, Thai red curry paste, but we're gonna make a really simple sort of spicy version of a chili paste with just regular pantry ingredients. So the first thing we need is a little bit of oil and some garlic. Some ginger. Oh, I love the smell of garlic and ginger sizzling, so good. And now here comes the spicy part, guys. So I'm using a Thai chili powder. Whatever kind of chili powder or chili flake that you can get in your area is totally cool here, because the next ingredient I'm gonna add is gonna give us the color. So this is really what you just wanna use for heat. So totally up to you. I'm going to use quite a bit because I love the heat. We're going to go in with a couple of spoonfuls here. And now just to make up for, in case you're not a super spicy person and you still want to get that beautiful red color, we're going to add some sweet paprika. This is like one of my little secrets for making things still red but not super spicy. So that goes in. And now my final spicy element is some kimchi. So I've just finely sliced this one. It's gonna give us not only like chili heat, but also a bit of umami and a bit of tanginess. It's just an all-round like awesome condiment. So that's going in too. And now just let this sizzle away. Like I really wanna see some good red colors developing. I want all those flavors kind of intermingling and making friends. I know that intermingling is not really the best thing for COVID, but it's okay when you're in the saucepan. All right, so that is totally looking hot right now. Look at that color. It's like ruby red and that oil and the, you know, this is the kind of thing that makes me really happy. So now that we've made our like pseudo chili paste, we can go in with some ground meat. Now I'm using pork today. You could use chicken, beef, turkey, totally up to you. And now you want to just stir fry that pork until it's almost cooked through. Just kind of break it up with your spoon a bit. All right, so this is looking pretty good. I'm now gonna add in some chicken stock. And then here's another little secret ingredient of mine that really kind of adds so much wow, savoriness, saltiness, like all the things, and that is some miso paste. So that goes in, and then a little bit of soy sauce for some extra seasoning. Now just mix that around. I want that miso paste to dissolve. I want the chicken stock to kind of make friends with all the chili in there. All right, so see that amazing like sheen of red oil on the top? Oh, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna add in a little bit of corn flour, or to you in the US, that's cornstarch, that I've mixed with a little bit of water. This is gonna thicken everything up, make it super glossy. It's looking so perfect. Okay, time to add in my noodles. Now you could go any which way here, guys. I've just got some like thin Hokkien style noodles here. You could do rice noodles, you could do wheat noodles, whatever you've got at home. Now just toss those noodles around until everything is beautifully coated and mixed through. All right, now time to get these out into a bowl. Now just some spring onion to finish off, and then because you know me and I'm literally like a masochist, I need some more chili. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more chili powder here, and there we go. One very spicy, or not spicy, depending on what you like, kind of porky noodle dish. And this is gonna be one porky noodle dish I genuinely enjoy eating. Well, I genuinely enjoy eating everything, but you know what I mean. Wow, those noodles, do you know what's so great about this dish is, okay, yeah, it's spicy, but it's got so many different elements. It's got, you know, that savory umami from the miso paste. It's got the tangy, you know, kind of crunchiness from the kimchi. So many things going on. And literally my mouth is on fire. In such a good way. Yum.